Let's find the total R value and U value for a wall assembly comprised of exterior film, brick, insulation, drywall, and interior film. Here are the R values: 0.17, 0.44, 11, 0.45, and 0.68. Next, let's sum them to find our total. Adding those together, our total equals 12.74 hour-foot squared Fahrenheit per BTU. Now, the U value is the thermal transmittance, which is 1 divided by the total R value. So U equals 1 divided by 12.74, which is approximately 0.0785, rounding to 0.078 BTU per hour per square foot per degree Fahrenheit. Let's review the multiple choice options. Which one matches our results? The correct answer is option A. Therefore, the total R value is 12.74, and the U value is 0.078. Remember, a lower U value means better insulation performance.